Proprietary information. Proprietary information. Information with some special way is related to the status, operation, or activities of the possessor over which the possessor asserts ownership. Ang proprietary information ay mga bagay na about sa ating business o company or agency na kung saan ay pinaglalaanan natin ng oras at pera. Halimbawa, ito ay partnership, mga listahan ng magkakatiwalang tao o customer o even ang ating status ng ating business kung saan walang access ang ibang tao. Makukonsider natin na ating proprietary information at maaari nating protektahan at angkinin na ating pagmamayari. Trade secrets. It may consist of any formula, pattern, device, or compilation of information which is used in one opportunity to gain an advantage over competitors who do not know or use it. Ang trade secret naman ay tumutukoy sa strategy o formula ng isang produkto o mga importanteng impormasyon patungkol sa isang bagay o tao na kung saan ay ginagamit upang magkaroon ng advantage sa katunggaling grupo o competitor sa business na hindi alam ang ganitong pamamaraan. Halimbawa na lamang nito sa Armed Forces of the Philippines ay ang strategies natin sa pagkikipaglaban. We have three important things to remember about trade secret. Unang-una sa lahat, ang trade secret ay mayroong value sapagkat ito ay hindi nalalaman ng karamihan o minsan ay isang tao lang ang nakakaalam dahil nga ito ay mahalagang parte ng isang organisasyon. Pangalawa, ang impormasyong napapaloob sa trade secret ay maaaring gamitin ng kalawang grupo na kung saan walang access dito. Pangatlo, dahil nga sa kahalagaan nito ay nangangailangan ng matinding effort sa pagprotekta nito. Patent. A grant given by the government to an inventor conveying and securing to him the exclusive rights to make, use, and sell his invention for a term of 20 years. Ang patent naman ay isang legal certificate na ibinibigay ng ating pamahalaan na kung saan ay magbibigay sa mga inventor ng karapatan upang gumawa, gumamit, at ibenta ang kanilang gawa sa loob ng 20 years. Maaari mong gamitin ang patent upang dagdagan ang value ng iyong produkto or business, mapaganda ang pangalan ng iyong business o company at mas maayos na financial negotiation.
Law on Intellectual Property or Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines. Republic Act No. 8293. June 16, 1997 and prescribing the Intellectual Property Code and establishing the Intellectual Property Office, providing for its power and functions and for other purposes. This act protect and secure the exclusive rights of the scientists, inventors, artists, and other gifted citizens to their intellectual property and creation, particularly when beneficial to the people. Threat to protection of sensitive information. Competitive intelligence, systematically program for gathering and analyzing information about competitors' activities and general business trends to further companies' growth.
What information available from company, publication, public records, or commercial reporting? Source regular. Company publications, public records, and commercial reporting source regularly provide a variety of information about business. A company publication. This include annual reports, financial statement, and press release. They offer insight into the company's financial health, strategic direction, and business activities. Public records. These are documents filed with government agencies such as a Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. They provide detailed information about companies' operations, financial status, and significant events like mergers or acquisition. Commercial reporting. Source: these are databases or services that aggregate and distribute business information. They offer a range of data includes financial metrics, industries analysis, and news stories about the company.
More information is not readily available but which is usually can be obtained without acquiring any civil or criminal liability in the process. It means that the information even is not readily available, but we can obtain it without acquiring any civil or criminal liability in the process, or using a good way on obtaining this kind of information. Block information obtained through clearly unethical or illegal means. It simply means that block information can obtain not in a good way because it uses unethical or illegal means.
Types of documents. Class 1 or vital documents. This is unreflectable records, reproduction of which does not have the same value as original. Ang vital documents ay isang uri ng dokumento na kung saan ay hindi maaaring palitan or walang katumbas na halaga sa isang original nito. Ito yung mga mahalagang dokumento na kinakailangan para sa isang particular na layunin o transaction. Halimbawa, ito ay ang birth certificate. Ito ay isang uri ng dokumento na kung saan ay isang official record na patunay na kapanakan ng isang tao. Class 2 or important document. These are record reproduction of which cause considerable expense and labor considerable delay. Ang mga mahalagang dokumento ay ang legal na files naglalaman ng impormasyon na may malaking halaga or pagsalang-alang ng isang individual or organization, for example, title deed or titulo ng mga pag-aari. Ito ay ang isang dokumento na nagpatunay ng kung may-ari ng isang lupa or ari-arian. Ito ay ang kailangan upang patunayan ng legal na kung may-ari ng isang individual or company.
Class 3 Useful documents. This is a record, the loss of which may cause inconvenience but could be readily replaced and may not present insurmountable obstacle to the prompt restoration of the business. So yung sa class 3, ito yung kapakipakinabang o mahalagang mga records. So sinasabi dito, kung mawala yung isang records o yung documents na ito ay maaaring magdulot ng abala or maaaring magkaroon ng conflict, ngunit mapapalitan ng hindi siya nakakasagabal sa pagpapanumbalik ng negosyo. Sa class 4 naman, non-essential document. This record may include daily files, routine in nature, loss of which will not affect the organization. So doon sa class 4 naman, sinasabi dito, hindi naman makakapekto kapag nawala yung isang record na yun kasi meron naman silang mga kopya sa kanilang mga file. Kaya hindi siya makakapekto sa operasyon ng organisasyon kung mawawala man ito.